This is the third part in a multi-part series of videos that shows you how to install VMware Fusion, which is a virtualization software, and then inside of it install Windows 10 so that you can use Windows on your Mac. So far where we've gone is we've downloaded licensed copies of the VMware Fusion and a licensed copy of Windows 10 for Education. We're ready to install Fusion. At this point, all we need to do is double click on the Fusion and it'll open it up. Now, as the video goes through, depending on how long these steps take, I will pause as the installation continues, but I will not skip a step. So you'll have everything you need to do this. So right now it's finishing, and here is Fusion. We're going to double click to install. As you can see, it's starting to install Fusion. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while it does. As you can see, I get this warning message because I downloaded this from the internet, and Mac is just making sure that I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and say open, and again I'll pause the video while it continues. As you can see, it's going to need administrative privileges, so I have an administrative account on this computer. So I'll just put in the password and it will start the installation. Again, I'll pause the video. So as you can see, the license agreement has come up. I highly encourage you to read the end user license agreement. If you haven't, you'll hit agree. If you have a license key, which you should, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while I put mine in. So at this point, I've put in my key and I've blurred it out so that you can't see it, and I hit continue. Now this key, remember, was from the order that you placed, so if you don't have it, you can go back onto the student VMware site and pick it up. So once to make changes, I'll type my password and say OK, and then at this point I'm done with the install. Pretty simple. This is the window and user interface that comes up when the install is complete. This is the end of this video, which was simply installing Fusion, and we'll go ahead, there's a new version, I'm going to go ahead and download it and install so that I have the latest version. You may or may not get this part. Once you're done installing the latest version, again back to this screen, we will go ahead in the next video and actually configure Windows 10 so that we're ready to use it on our Mac. Take care.